think that's neat how they hang onto the side like that. You know, I knew that thing would make a good bird feeder. I don't know what it was supposed to be, but it made an awesome bird feeder. You know, because the water all drains out. Just works out really good. I love my little house sparrows. They're so cute. And chickadee. Chickadee dee 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 dee. Chickadee dee 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 dee. Keep going down there. A bunch of nuts down there in the grass. There's like almonds and walnuts down there. I haven't seen any squirrels lately. I put so many nuts out that I think the squirrels all took them all and they're just hanging out at home eating their nuts now. It's kind of funny. I haven't seen any squirrels for a while. They're too fat to move now. They don't live in my yard because I don't have any trees in my yard. I take that back. I have one little tree, but nothing lives in it. I would know if something did. Aww, I love these little house sparrows. They're so cute. They have so many pretty colors on them. I seen a little yellow bird out here the other day. Seen it so quick though, I didn't know what it was. Some kind of little warbler or something.